In a few minutes, I'm going to be showing you how to install a UTM on your Mac so you can easily run virtual machines like Windows and Kali Linux. UTM is designed specifically for Mac users, making it a better choice than some other virtualization softwares because it integrates smoothly with Mac OS. Whether you want a Windows VM, a Kali Linux VM, or any other OS, UTM is perfect for Mac users. And the best part is that today we are going to be installing the free version of UTM. To do that, go to your browser and search for UTM for Mac. Now, this is the official website. Click on it. If you can see something like this, securely run operating systems on your Mac, then you are on the right page. Now, there are two places you can download this UTM app. You can decide to download from the Chrome browser, which is the free version, or you can download from your Mac App Store, which is the paid version. So let's check out the Mac App Store. You can see $9.99. So we don't need the paid version. Yeah, you need the free version. So to download the free version, you just need to click download. So you can see right here, it's downloading. Now, there is no functional difference between the paid and the free version. The paid version is just a way of you supporting the UTM developers and getting automatic updates from App Store if available compared to the free version. But when it comes to what UTM was created for, they both work perfectly well. So we are going to wait for it to download. And once the download is complete, you are going to install the UTM file like a normal app. When the download is complete, click the UTM file, drag the UTM file to applications, go to where you have your apps, double click the UTM file, verify UTM file. UTM is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes. Now you have your UTM app installed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you will not miss future tutorials like this one.